Fabian, what day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Alright guys, happy Sunday to you. We are here making a delivery. Look at the view that we have here. And guess and tell me where we are in Jamaica. We are here to make a delivery of this lovely, what is it, Fabian? It's a fry oven?
Yes.
Oh my God, I wish it was I.
Nice.
Yes, nice, eh? Nice. So we're making a delivery. The customer is actually living overseas, and they sent this, I guess, as a gift to one of their relatives. So guys, listen, if you're overseas, you can send your stuff. We will get it delivered. Ship it with us. We'll get it delivered to your loved ones. Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing? She's on the inside. Yeah, you can receive it if you want. Is there a one? Okay. Oh, the sun they're going. You look at. Nice. You're at church.
Yes, I am a pastor.
Oh, just saying.
You want bar my ID? Pay one bar for my ID.
We just need to log it out of the system. So which church, sir, pastor?
Fellowship Tabernacle.
Fellowship Tabernacle. Which one is that? Which one is that?
The one that's Fairfield Avenue.
Fairfield Avenue.
Boulevard Shopping Center.
Okay, nice. Okay, nice. So we are blessed today. We are delivering on a Sunday. So.
On a Sunday, yeah.
Yes.
Tomorrow night,
Yes.
I have some more things to ship.
All right, nice, awesome. So guys, we are delivering to a pastor. All right. View of the mountain. Wonderful. God is good. Awesome. Thank you, Pastor. Take care. Alright, cool. Baby, and you make Pastor happy on the Sunday here. Pastor can slow cook him meal today. Nice. It's good.
In friends.
Yes, it's good. Alright. Alright, guys. Happy Sunday. God bless.